What's up, Triple J family? What's up, guys? Once again, it's your girl Bam, and I'm back with another one, and another one, and another one. Excuse me. Anyway, guys, before I start this video, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Triple J family. And turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time we upload a video. Anyway, guys, today I'm going to be doing a challenge from Tasty Mukbang, Tasty Mukbang, Tasty Mukbang Eat. Yes, she has a challenge where, but I never tasted this pop, which this is going to be a challenge for me for real, because I don't like dark pop, for number one. And this that new Coke, that orange vanilla Coca-Cola. So I'm going to do a review on it. Plus, after I do the review, I have to drink the whole thing without burping. So, that's probably going to be hard for me too. But anyways, let's get into this video. Hope it don't spill. What's up? Yes, Tasty Mukbang Eats, y'all. Orange vanilla Coca-Cola. You know, you can taste the orange and the vanilla too. I guess it's alright. I don't know, because if I was to drink a pop, it would have to be Sierra Mist, something clear. I don't really do dark pops. And then I really don't drink pops like that too often. You'll probably see me with some tea or some water. But anyways, let's get into this challenge. I hope I can drink this whole thing without burping, because I know me. Y'all know I got acid reflux. This is going to be hard, and plus I don't like dark pop. So yes, this is a challenge for me. Even if I completed it, at least I did attempt it and I tried. Okay, here we go. Breathe. I think the key is to breathe. I might not even get past, I probably won't even get to the middle of this pop. But I'm gonna try. Without burping, okay. And then the vanilla is overwhelming. You taste more of the vanilla than anything. Okay. Whew. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. Right there. Okay. Hold it down, girl, hold it down. Okay. I'm almost there. I'm almost down here. At least. I can get at least halfway down here. Whew. It's just to hold it in, trying to not to burp. Because once I burp, I know I can drink this whole pot. I know I can do that. This is the burping part. Just breathe. Ooh, just a little bit more. Ooh, girl, you're almost there. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. Ooh. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. I don't think I'm gonna make it though, y'all. I ain't gonna make it. I'm almost there though, but I don't think I'm gonna make it. I feel it. I'm trying to hold it down, boy. Lord knows I'm trying to hold it down. Ooh. I ain't gonna be able to do it. Woo. Ooh, Lord. I had to let that out. I almost made it. I almost made it tasty. I almost made it. Woo wee. Woo. Oh, that released a whole lot of pressure. That was too much pressure. Too much pressure. Now that one right there, I really needed that one. Whew. Whew. I tried, y'all. I almost made it. I almost made it. Plus, this ain't the best tasting pop. You know, it's not the best tasting pop either. This the vanilla, and then the orange. It's overwhelming. Then it's a dark pop. That threw me right there, just the darkness. But I attempted this challenge. Yes, I did. I might have failed, but I did it. I can't drink the rest of this either. I just don't like dark pop. It tastes like dirt to me. It just tastes like dirt. And I'm still gonna be burping probably for the next 30 minutes. Ooh. All right, let me go ahead and end this video, y'all. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the Triple J family. Ooh, Lord. Oh. Now that released a whole lot of pressure there. I'll wait and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'll let you girl. Peace. I'm still burping.